26, go, let's go. From the start, getting fat, getting arrested.
Next year I will. What's gonna happen next year? Let's find out.
First of all, I'm going to... Oh, no. The actual first thing I'm gonna do is not be single. No, that was wrong. That's wrong too.
26 prediction. Oh, کیر میگیرم. Okay. کیر میگیرم. خب ازدواج میکنم. I will get married and then I will get fired.
Properly. What does that say? What does this say? Oh my god. I'm gonna collapse. That's not even done yet. Is that what?